In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, view, and edit Yahoo Mail contacts. Let's start by getting signed into Yahoo Mail with your usual credentials. Once you're in the inbox, look to the right sidebar for the contacts icon. It typically looks like a small address book. Click that to open your contacts panel. To add a new contact, make sure you're on the All tab, then choose Add a New Contact. A form will open where you can enter details like the person's name, email address, phone number, and any other information you want to keep handy, such as a company or a note. At minimum, an email address is the most useful field for future messages and autofill, but the more details you add now, the easier it will be to recognize and reach this person later. When you're done, click Save. That's it, the contact is now added and will appear in your list for quick access whenever you compose or search in Yahoo Mail. Next, let's look at how to view your contacts. From the inbox, click the same contacts icon on the right sidebar. You'll see your full list of saved contacts. Click any name to open the details panel. Here, you can review the email address, phone number, and other fields you've saved. You can also see recent email history with that contact, which is helpful for quick context before you reply or send a new message. If your list is long, use the search bar at the top of the contacts section to jump straight to the person you need. Now, let's edit a contact. Open the contacts panel again. Find the person by scrolling or searching. Next to their name, click the three-dot menu to reveal more options, then choose Edit Contact. Update whatever you need, maybe a corrected spelling, a new phone number, or a different email address. When you've made your changes, click Save to apply them. Your updates will take effect immediately, so the next time you compose a message, Yahoo Mail will suggest the updated contact details. A few quick tips as you work: keep names and emails accurate to improve autocomplete. Use the notes field for contexts like met at conference or billing department, and take a moment to verify phone numbers before you save, so you don't have to track them down later. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to add new contacts, view your saved list, and edit existing entries, all from the contacts icon in Yahoo Mail's right sidebar.